I want to conclude my remarks today by just demonstrating this thing that we call willpower. Graduates, please stand up if you are the first in your family to go to college. Please stand up if you or your parents are immigrants. Please stand up if you speak more than one language. Please stand up if you have served or are serving in the military. Please stand up if you are a parent. Keep standing. Please stand up if you are a parent. Please stand up if you transferred from a community college. Please stand up if you worked while pursuing your degree. Please stand up if you are receiving a degree today. That, my good people, is the power of this place we call William Paterson University. The power of our graduates to change the social fabric of the region. Go out and do great, important things. Make us proud, but more importantly, make yourselves proud. Congratulations.